Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your TT Connect income tax account on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in etax.ird.gov.tt and then press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for the Income Tax Department of Trinidad and Tobago. Once you're inside the homepage, simply enter your TT Connect ID that was given to you while creating your account. Then enter your BIR number. After entering both of these information, you can enter your account password within the password box. Type in the password that you have set while creating your account and then click on the log on button and you will be logged into your income tax account with the TT Connect website right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password underneath the login button and you will be able to reset your login credentials using your phone number or your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your income tax account with the TT Connect website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.